Now for the biscuits. All right, so here is our bowl. We made the leaven last night. It looks very bubbly, that's good. Measure 1.5 cups of your prepared batter and put it in a bowl. Here is 1. Half. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you could see, it is like the stickiest, gooeyest, won't come off the spoon. Come on. So sticky. So it says to sift the ingredients into the batter, but I don't have a sifter, or if I do, I don't know where it is. So I'm just gonna mix the other dry ingredients in this bowl and then kind of sprinkle them over the top. So you need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And just kind of stir them together. Start mixing these in. Knead the batter on a slightly floured board. So we'll throw some flour on here, and I'm going to turn this out. So we'll knead this for a second. Still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to add just a touch more flour. Right, so it says pat the round to about 1/4 inch thick. I don't know what that really looks like. I'm not gonna get out a ruler. Okay, feel like that's 1/4 inch thick, maybe. Cut the rounds with a biscuit cutter. I don't have a biscuit cutter, so I have a cookie cutter. Looks like this, or you could probably use a cup, the top of a cup. Cut the biscuit, then dip them in. You gotta make some melted butter. Dip the tops in melted butter, and then put them together in a square baking pan. So I got my square baking pan. Dip. Last one, it's just gonna be a little lumpy. All right, look at those beautiful biscuits. Now these rest for half an hour and then we bake them. Time to take a break. All right, they have been resting for half an hour, the biscuits, and so now it's time to put them in the oven for 35 minutes. Look at this. I wish you could smell them. They smell so good. They're kind of little biscuits. I bet they're gonna taste good though. I hope you have success with your biscuits. Definitely was not a hard process. So I'm gonna let them cool down before I eat them. But there you go.